Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy financial strategies with Mint, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start deploying financial strategies with Mint, first, download the Mint app from your App Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. After registering, you will be prompted to link your financial accounts. Choose the accounts you want to connect, such as banks, credit cards, and loans. Mint uses bank-level security, so your information will be safe. Once your accounts are linked, Mint will begin to pull in your financial data. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You will see an overview of your total accounts, spending categories, and recent transactions. Next, navigate to the budgeting section to set financial goals. Identify areas where you want to control spending, like dining out or entertainment. Set specific budget limits for each category, keeping your income in mind. Mint provides suggestions based on your spending patterns to help you optimize your budget. Now, review your transactions for accuracy and categorize them accordingly. This ensures better tracking of your spending habits. Utilize the Trends section to visualize your expenses over time. This can help you identify trends and adjust your habits as necessary. Consider creating savings goals if you have specific financial targets in mind. Enter the amount you wish to save and your target date. Mint will track your progress towards these goals. To improve your financial literacy, explore the tips and recommendations Mint offers. This resource can add value as you learn to manage your finances effectively. Review your credit score by navigating to the Credit Score section. Mint provides updates and information on ways to improve your score. Regularly check in with your financial data to stay on top of your progress. Set aside time each week or month to adjust budgets and goals as necessary. This consistency will help you maintain control over your finances. As you become more comfortable with Mint, explore additional features, such as bill tracking. This can help ensure you never miss a payment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.